Well guys, I wanna show you my 15 fruits. First, we have a pineapple. The pineapple is shows lucky one kasi meron siyang maraming mata. At syempre bulog siya, pera din. At syempre pag maraming mata ibig sabihin maraming pera yan. Tapos yung crown nito ibig sabihin ito nagsisimbolize as malaking halaga ng pera. Next one is like this pakwan. It's like also symbolizes money. I have grapes. I have this one. I don't know what's name is of this. I have Chico. This one is Chico. This one is pears. Pears. And this one is Tambis. This one is apple. Kiat Kiat. This one is Kiat Kiat. And this one is Dalanghita. This is an orange. This one is guava. Guava. I have here banana. And also this one is, I don't know what's the name of this. So we're going to count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14. All in all, I have 14 fruits rather.